Welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Seini. Dancehall artist Govanna is gearing up to release his highly anticipated album dubbed Humans and Monsters Are Not the Same. The album will consist of 14 tracks and will feature songs like Loyalty, Champ Cup Stop, Unanswered and The Light, among others. Humans and Monsters will also feature collaborations with Tarrus Riley, Dre Island, among others.
Right now, I want to know, out of the 4 tracks I released so far, which is your favorite? Number 1, Champ, The Light featuring Dre Island, Unanswered featuring Tarrus Riley. Number 4, Loyalty. Just comment, let me know which are your favorite songs so far and why.
The project sample production works on CJ the Chemist, Quantanium Records, Emudio Productions, Big Zim Records, Chimney Records, The Ultimate Dream Team, and LMI Productions. Govanna has been getting rave reviews since he embarked on the scene. He has released hits such as Baked Bean, Cups Up, Hot Topic Exclusive, and his breakout hit Breeze, which features Idonia. The album is expected to be released on January 10th.
Start up to be my hand drive out there. So me have to give thanks to the world's pass. Every time I touch a plane, now I'm first class.
Following his debut as Sebastian in The Little Mermaid Live, reggae artist and US Marine Gulf War veteran Shaggy was recognized for his service and support for fellow veterans. Shaggy was honored at the Boston Veterans Day dinner today, held at the John F. Kennedy Presidential Library and Museum. Veteran artist and producer Lee Scratch Perry recently earned his second Billboard entry for his project Life of the Plants. The compilation features 5 tracks and enters the Billboard Reggae Albums chart at number 3. Life of the Plants was released October 25th by Stone Throw Records, a Los Angeles independent company. In June, Perry went number 2 with his album Rainford. His latest project is his 13th top 10 Billboard entry. Perry recently wrapped up his Lee Scratch Perry and Subatomic Sound System West Coast tour. The tour saw him making stops in Hayfork, Santa Cruz, Portland, Seattle, among others. Reggae singer Pressure Boss Pipe is set to release his new album dubbed Rebel with a Cause. The album tackles socio-political issues such as government corruption, institutional racism, injustice, and economic oppression. Rebel with a Cause features 14 tracks such as Wake Up, Stay Up, Can You Feel Love, War is Ugly, Streets Calling Me, featuring Our City, among others. The project also featured collaborations with Sizzla, Protege, Anthony B, and Kabaka Pyramid. The project will be released tomorrow, November 8th. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Seini. Thanks for watching.